歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬揚。美國現任總統奧巴馬成為美國歷史上第一位非洲裔嘅美國總統。但係40幾年前，美國嘅非洲裔連投票權都冇。究竟奧巴馬當選成為美國總統，對美國嘅非洲裔帶嚟啲乜嘢影響呢？下邊就由我哋嘅記者徐松偉帶大家去到美國嘅密蘇里州聖路易市，聽下當地嘅居民點睇呢一股奧巴馬旋風。
73歲嘅威廉斯同往常一樣，一朝早就喺佢過去40多年嚟居住嘅社區逐家逐戶打招呼。呢度係美國密蘇里州聖路易市嘅一個以非洲裔居民居多嘅中產社區。60年代就開始參與黑人民權運動嘅威廉斯，過去1年嚟積極參與民主黨總統候選人奧巴馬嘅競選活動。佢從來冇諗到佢會睇到一名非洲裔美國人入主白宮嘅呢一日。
For the Obamas to move into the house that the ancestors built, I'm telling you that black people built that. That's what I'm telling you. It was African people that built that.
It's beautiful place.
提曼古夫婦係威廉斯嘅鄰居，丈夫派翠克係一名嚟自非洲肯尼亞嘅新移民，太太瑞秋係美國猶太人。佢哋兩個人亦都係奧巴馬忠實嘅支持者。
So I think if anything, people of our generation and younger people think that we're almost a model family, that this is a good thing, that it's a sign in the same way that people...
住喺同一個社區內嘅仲有白伊德夫婦。
Some of us look at Republicans as being greedy, only for the rich and not for the poor. And we look at Democrats as being for the poor.
喺美國，種族問題向來係一個禁忌議題。美國廢除黑奴制度已經有140多年，但係一直要等到1965年國會通過投票權法案之後，非洲裔美國公民先至首次擁有投票權。從嗰陣時之後，非洲裔嘅參政率同政治影響力就持續上升。2002年，全美國共有41名非洲裔眾議員。參政比例幾乎同人口比例相若，而奧巴馬以決定性嘅票數贏得美國總統一職，係咪意味住美國嘅種族問題已經逐漸淡化呢？
If you was in our skin, then you would see, I mean, just to be black in America.
I think that a lot of African Americans still have to question whenever anything bad happens to them. Is this because of who I am, or is this because of what I look like? And my dad had a concern about our children, because my dad's biggest concern was you're going to have kids with 2 strikes against them, because you're going to have, we had made the decision between ourselves that we would raise our children as Jews, and so my dad said, okay.
但係對派翠克嚟講，由於歷史經驗嘅不同，佢對美國黑白族裔之間嘅問題有唔同嘅體會。
Racism in America is not anymore a very direct thing. This when I speak with an accent. So you're wondering, is this just pure racism, or this is somebody who doesn't like immigrants?
對佢哋夫妻嚟講，美國面臨嘅挑戰並唔係種族歧視，而係社會問題。
Largely that comes down to socioeconomic issues. I think there are still a lot of problems with urban cores in the United States. Urban centers tend to be largely minority, largely African American, and those also tend to be the areas with the poorest schools, the worst crime problems.
肯尼亦都同意佢哋嘅睇法㗎，佢認為非洲裔社區應該對自己嘅命運負起責任。
I feel that we can't blame people for the faults, that we create. We can't constantly point the finger. Get up and do something.
但係對親身體驗過種族隔離制度嘅威廉斯嚟講佢始終冇辦法放低呢一個沉重嘅歷史包袱。
White Americans have been made privileged in this country, in this society, and African people have been made disadvantaged. Until we could be made whole and restored that which was ours, that which was stolen and all, then that would be.
威廉斯嘅一番話，正係令到好多白人選民恐懼嘅原因嚟㗎。喺呢一次選舉中，奧巴馬贏得到9成半嘅非洲裔選票，猶太裔呢，即係有7成8，拉美裔就有6成7，亞裔都有6成3， 但係佢僅係贏得咗4成3嘅白人選票。與其話選舉嘅結果意味住美國黑白之間嘅種族心結得到化解，倒不如話由於奧巴馬嘅個人魅力，再加上經濟問題主導選戰，種種因素嘅相助之下，締造咗呢一次歷史性嘅一刻。不過，無論奧巴馬當選嘅原因係乜嘢，對派翠克同瑞秋嚟講，選舉嘅結果令佢哋對個仔嘅未來充滿咗信心。記者徐崇偉喺聖路易斯嘅採訪報導。
好啦，今日嘅節目時間又夠，多謝各位收睇美國之音製作嘅美國先生，我係任敬揚，我哋下星期再見。